If you've seen the viral ads for Sopami Car Coating Spray, you've probably wondered the same thing everyone else is asking. Is this 3-in-1 miracle spray actually legit or just another shiny scam? Today, I'm breaking it all down so you don't waste your money. Sopami claims to clean, polish, and protect your car with a ceramic-like finish, all in one step. It's marketed heavily toward budget-conscious car owners who want that glossy, hydrophobic look without paying a professional detailer. And honestly, that's exactly why it's blowing up online. Now, let's talk performance. The application is incredibly simple. Literally spray it on, wipe it down, and you're done. No curing time, no buffing struggles, no complicated detailing steps. And yes, it does deliver solid hydrophobic effects. Water beads off nicely, and from testing, the water resistance generally lasts around 2 to 3 months. For a cheap DIY spray, that's impressive, but here's where things get interesting. Sopami advertises scratch repair, and that's where expectations need to be realistic. It won't fix deep scratches or paint damage. No spray can do that. What it does do is fill in light swirls and micro scratches, making them less noticeable. The real benefit here isn't scratch repair. It's dirt repellency. Dust, mud, and grime don't stick as easily, which means washing your car becomes way easier. Now, durability. The shine, that glossy showroom look, starts fading after about 6 weeks, but the hydrophobic protection lasts a bit longer. So yes, it keeps working even after the shine tones down. At a price range of $20 to $30, it's still a fraction of what you'd pay for a professional ceramic coating. User feedback is a bit mixed though. People love the ease of use, but some mention that the spray attracts dust more than traditional wax, something to keep in mind depending on your environment. So, is Sopami Car Coating Spray a scam or legit? For the price, it's definitely legit. As long as you understand what it can and can't do. It won't replace professional ceramic coatings, but for quick shine, solid water beading, and easier cleaning, it's a budget-friendly option that actually performs. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more honest 2025 product breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.